How to restart TikTok without deleting it. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restart TikTok without deleting it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you will need to do is open up your TikTok and then head over to your profile on the bottom right. After you're here, tap on the three lines or the hamburger icon on the top right. After you do that, head over to the settings and privacy. After you do that, scroll down all the way till you see cache and cellular option. So after you find that, you will need to head over to free up space. And while this calculates, if you guys are new to App Hacks, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. Now as TikTok is gathering data, you will see the cache memory and your downloads data. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to clear both of these. So clear both of these and you should notice that the cache will drop down to 0 and then the downloads will drop down to 0 as well. So after you calculate and delete both of your caches and downloads, what you can do is you can scroll down. Let me go back here. Just scroll down and then you can head over to your settings. On your settings, scroll down and you will find the general section. Head over there and then head over to iPhone storage. After you head over to your iPhone storage, just find your TikTok. So let this load for a bit and then head over to your TikTok. After you head over to your TikTok, simply offload the app. This will free up the storage used by the app, but it will keep your data and documents. So reinstall this and yeah, your TikTok will restart without deleting it. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.